where to get content like images, PDF slides, documents, etc. for the G Stack, you just create it. You've got ChatGPT or any other A writing assistant. That's all I do for content, guys, is just I use ZimWriter. So we use ZimWriter to create the content, and then we create all the Drive Stack stuff. But we don't do those anymore, other than with David Morgan, who's on. He does Stack stuff, so that's typically where I will get them. Marco, are you guys still selling stacks over at the Heavy Hitter Club?
Our
Or Heavy
store
Hitter
is still
Club
open.
the store? Okay. Well,
THHC.store.
I've said this before, but nobody does stacks as well as Marco and Rob do over at the Heavy Hitter Club, because Marco was one of the original co-creators of the Drive Stack concept. And I've always said that, guys. I've said that they by far do it the best. If you guys could get them delivered a little bit faster, I know why you don't. They're manual, I get it. But that's always was my issue, was it takes so long to get them back. But they are done better than anybody else's stacks, there's no question. So